Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Super Bowl Sunday and I thought I actually started off the vlog, but I didn't. It actually snowed again today, so it's done now it looks like, but we did get quite a little bit today, but like I said, it's over and done with. However, it is apparently supposed to snow like, I don't know, I feel like I've said this. Maybe I didn't say this on my vlog, but I think it's supposed to snow more days than not this upcoming week. And I leave for Florida this Friday, which is very exciting. So there will be somewhat kind of Florida content in this vlog if I can get there. Hopefully I can get there. Just fingers crossed that that will all work out, but I don't care if I get stuck there once I'm there, but I care about just getting there. Anywho, Super Bowl Sunday, I've just been doing a little bit of work stuff, getting myself kind of prepped for the week as much as possible, just because it's gonna be a hectic week with my regular work schedule, and then obviously getting ready to leave for Florida on Friday, which who knows, I might even end up going down to Philly. I'm flying out of Philly, so I might go down Thursday and stay over at my sister's so that I don't really have to worry if there's snow in the morning on Friday when I wake up about driving there. So maybe we'll see how things go by the end of the week. Maybe my sister will have a little visitor. But anywho, it's 3:30. We have a few people coming over for Super Bowl. So my mom's been literally cooking all day. And I'm very excited because I just love any kind of event where feasting is encouraged. So I'm excited. And my mom's a huge Chiefs fan. I've mentioned that in the last vlog. So she's very excited for this. And we want to see Tom Brady lose. So anywho, I think I'm just going to call it quits or work for the day and like relax for a little bit. Alright, it is about that time. It is like 3:30, almost 4. And I did not wake up this morning to work out. I've kind of made this like new set rule for myself a few weeks ago that if I wake up anytime after 6 o'clock in the morning that I am not working out until later that evening. I do get myself up if I like actually have to work out that morning because I cannot work out that evening. But most days I can work out in the evening, but I just prefer not to. So anywho, I've made that rule for myself because it helps me get my work day started so much earlier. Like I like it if I do wake up for 6 o'clock to work out. So I have my little Fabletics set on. I'm just going to take this off to work out. And then I have a Nike sports bra underneath. But I'm going to work out and get back to work after. It is around that time again. It's about 4, it is 4 o'clock basically, and I am going to go get a workout in. Again, same situation as yesterday. I just had to push my workout back to the evening, but I'm going to get it in. I'm going to do some cycling and then probably sit in the sauna for a little bit, and then I will probably catch up with you guys afterwards. But this is my little outfit for today. I'm kind of going with the blue theme this week. I'm wearing this set from SoulCycle that I got quite a long time ago, but love it. It's super cute. And I am Lauren Parker. We are so excited for you to see our film school Boys Always Forever. Alright, I've got my little red light on. I've got my wine here, popcorn, everything, but to all of the boys forever and always. I think that's the exact name. I think that's right, but anywho, I was invited to watch like the virtual screening. The movie comes out the 12th, I believe, of February, so I was invited to watch the screening, which goes live today, the 9th of February. So it's nice because I don't actually have to go to a movie theater. It's nice that I could just do it from the comfort of my own home. but I'm going to watch this and have a little movie night and head to bed then. Happy Wednesday. It's like 1 in the afternoon, something like that, and I am about to make some iced coffee. I never have coffee this late, but you know, I feel like I need a coffee. Today has been one hell of a day. I've got my thing full of ice here. So basically, I feel like my life is in shambles right now. I think that's just, I'm very anxious today. I'm very anxious today because I am leaving to go to Philly tomorrow to stay over at my sister's just in case the weather is bad. So I basically am leaving to go to Florida tomorrow, but like not tomorrow, you know? I have to be in Philly tomorrow, so it's just kind of stressing me out that like I have a bunch of stuff to do before I go, and I need to pack. Then I have to travel to Philly tomorrow, which I don't really want to do, especially because last week was crazy and I had to travel to Philly last week and I took a day off of work to do that. So I feel like I'm just going to be getting like 2 days off of work this week, which is not ideal. So hopefully I can just get a bunch of work done tomorrow that I need to. And then Friday, I actually have like a 5-hour layover in Orlando. As of now, I'm hoping that like maybe the weather will be bad, that I get my flight from Philly gets delayed initially, and then they kind of just like pass over the layover in Orlando and just go straight to Fort Lauderdale. That's what I'm hoping. So that was not how I booked it originally, by the way. I booked it originally for like a 3 p.m. flight to Fort Lauderdale, and I would get there at like, man, maybe that doesn't make sense. It was like a later, like it was really late actually. I booked it for I think 7 o'clock, somewhere around 7 o'clock I originally booked it for to leave Philly, and then I would get to Fort Lauderdale at, oh, she's dripping. Okay, so originally I booked it for leaving Philly around 7 o'clock and I'd get to Fort Lauderdale around 10 o'clock. And that was the original plan. It was the cheapest flight. It was like $113 for like bags included. I'm flying with Spirit, which is what I did last time. So really, really good deal. And then like the second or so week after I booked, 2 weeks after I booked it or something like that, they ended up changing the flights. Keep in mind this was over a month ago. They changed the flight and then said I'm leaving Philly at like 12:30 and have a 5-hour layover in Orlando, which is literally a 3-hour drive from Fort Lauderdale, and then I would still get to Fort Lauderdale at 10 o'clock. So it's gonna be a long day Friday, so that's why I'm hoping the layover just gets like canceled, but it's just a pointless layover. Like, what is the point in doing? I don't know what the point in doing that is. So anywho, I just feel like today I have to cram everything in, which I don't like, but yeah, this is good. This is good. So this is gonna give me a little fuel. I have to do a lot of stuff now and get prepped for tomorrow, do some filming stuff and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So these are a bunch of clothes that I'm going to be bringing to Florida to shoot. Everything except for Princess Polly stuff I was sent. So I am going to go through now and cut the tags and iron everything. These are quite wrinkly and I don't know how to steam leather or how to get the wrinkles out of leather. So I read online, if you stick them in the bathroom and turn the hot shower on, that the steam might get the wrinkles out. I am going to wash my makeup brushes because my makeup, I've been noticing, has been going on so bad for the past few weeks, and I know it's just because it's not applying well because it's like built up with product in the brushes, which is disgusting, and I honestly do not clean my makeup brushes often enough, but I know you are also the same, most of you at least, so no judgment here, because I did a poll a really long time ago about how many people actually clean their brushes like as often as you should, and more than like 85 to 90% said that they don't. So I know you're one of them. Now that my hands feel like prunes, they look so much better. I'm just gonna leave them over here to dry overnight, and hopefully they'll be dry by tomorrow. So I already painted my toes, but I got in some stuff from Static Nails last week, I think, and I got like this little neutrals palette, which I love, and I already used one of the nail polishes last week. I used this color, and it was so pretty. I loved it. I used the white on my toes, and because I did that last Friday and then I literally went bowling right after, my nails got all screwed up and my toes were done pretty bad because I did them like in terrible lighting. So I'm repainting them because I'm leaving for the beach, and then these are also great because I can pack them with me because they're so small. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm repainting my nails now, and I went with this lighter color. It's like a little bit lighter. But what I wanted to say is that they sent me this what is it? Non-toxic hydrating nail polish remover, and it's so interesting. I used it for the first time to take off the nail polish that I was wearing from them, and I kid you not, I was so blown away because it doesn't have any smell. It doesn't like dry out because it doesn't have any acetone or acetane in it, so it doesn't dry out your skin, and it's like kind of oily, like, so it's hydrating. It was so amazing, and it like literally glided off my nails. So I really love it, and like I honestly would just like repurchase this time and time again because it is the best nail polish remover I've ever used. I don't know how much it is, but why aren't all nail polish removers that good? Because I don't even know what ingredients are in it, but there's something in there that makes that nail polish remover amazing. You need to try it, and you need to try their nail polishes because they're very opaque and like very aesthetic. They have like so many beautiful colors. Do you ever just like get an email and you see like the subject line but are too scared to actually open the email and like wait until you are mentally prepared? Because I do that all of the time, and I hate that I do that, but honestly, emails are like my least favorite thing ever. I hate texting, I hate emails. So I had a bad feeling about the email, and it was exactly what I expected it to be, so whatever. But at least I wasn't expecting anything great and then was let down, so. It's literally 8 o'clock and I am so exhausted. It's a very nude color, but I love it, and it's just super simple, so love how this came out. I just learned last night that All American has, you know, a new season, and it started back in January, so I started the first episode yesterday. I'm trying to limit myself and not binge, so I'm going to watch the second episode of that. I have to fold laundry and pack. Alright guys, it's Thursday, it's almost 2 o'clock, and I am finally done packing. So I'm just getting myself ready to leave to head to Philly. No way my suitcase to even see what the situation is looking like. Last time I was overweight, so right now I'm sweating. Pretty bad day, to be honest. It's just been one of those days, and it doesn't make it any better that I'm like scrambling, like rushing around. My dad's outside plowing right now, of course. It doesn't make it any better that like my anxiety and like stress levels are through the roof right now, and I hate leaving on such like a like random like weird note, but that's how I'm feeling, so just gotta roll with it. It's fine. It'll all be okay.
I was gonna say.
Guys, happy Friday. First of all, it's Friday. Yes, I've already been vlogging. I feel like I want to sit down, but I mean, it looks clean out here, but I feel like I'd look weird if I did that. But anywho, I am currently in Orlando right now. I had literally no chance to talk to you guys this morning because I had to do some work before I left to head to the airport, and that was crazy in itself. Just this morning was overall crazy, getting out the door and then rushing around in the airport. I just felt rushed and was sweating the entire time, which made me really pissed off, and when I'm sweating I don't really want to, I'm not in the mood, you know? So when I'm sweating and I'm hot, I'm not in the mood. So anywho, it was just a busy morning. Got on my flight was good. It was kind of, there's a lot of turbulence actually. We left Philly though, and it was quite cloudy and cold, and it's very nice in Orlando. It's not like overly humid, it's not overly hot, it's like perfect. However, I am currently in a sweatsuit right now, so that's obviously not ideal. But I have a 5-hour layover here, so I have just been working, and then I came out to get some fresh air, but it is so hot out here. So I'm probably gonna head back inside, and I still have, I think, like 3 hours to go or something, like 3.5 basically. But I did come out, obviously I came out of the exit, so I'll have to go back in through security now, but it shouldn't be that bad. It's a Friday, so anywho, that's the update. I'm gonna head back inside. My flight from Orlando to Fort Lauderdale is at like 7:30 or something like that, so who knows. I'm gonna head back in.
Do not accept or transport any luggage other than your own.